Students, welcome to Sakshi FIIT NEET Academy. In this video session, we are going to learn about one of the important named reaction, that is Woods reaction. We know that in a first year organic chemistry, that is in alkane chapter, we have learned about the preparation of alkanes from the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides treating with a sodium metal. This is called a Woods reaction. That is called Woods reaction. The same reaction will repeat in the second year organic chemistry, that is in alkyl halides. Alkyl halides its chemical property. So its chemical property, we are preparing alkanes from alkyl halides. So here in a alkyl halide chapter, this reaction is coming in a chemical properties. In a alkane chapter, that is in a hydrocarbons chapter, this reaction coming in a preparation methods of alkane. So here what is Woods reaction and its a mechanism that we are going to discuss in this video session. So here Woods reaction. So here what is Woods reaction? This is one of the preparation methods of alkane. So we are preparing alkane from alkyl halides. Here I am taking a 2 moles of alkyl halide which treat with the sodium metal. In a dry ether condition. Simply we can say that a dry ether solution of alkyl halides. Treat with a sodium metal. Then alkyl halides undergoes coupling reaction, that is coupling between alkyl group to alkyl group. Along with this we will get a 2 moles of NaCl byproduct. So here what is coupling? These alkyl groups are couple each other. Then we are getting a alkane, which is a higher alkane. This is known as Woods reaction. So here, to understand clearly, I am taking an example. Here CH3 bonded to CH2. This is bonded to the chlorine. Here I am taking a 2 moles of this ethyl chloride, treating with a 2 moles of sodium. That is in a dry ether. You just couple this CH3 CH2 of one that is ethyl chloride, and you can couple this CH3 CH2 of another ethyl chloride. You just separate this CH2 CH3, that is CH2 CH3, then we will get a this CH3 CH2 of one alkyl halide, and this CH3 CH2 bonded to another CH2 CH3. So we just coupling these alkyl groups each other. Then we will get a higher alkane. So what about the name of this alkane compound? Hydrocarbon. 4 carbons are there. The name become, it's a butane. And here 2 chlorines combined with this 2 sodium atoms. Then we will get a 2 moles of NaCl. So here simple, you just couple that alkyl groups each other, then you will get a higher alkane. This is called a Woods reaction. So here what is the mechanism behind this reaction? Simple, here I am writing a mechanism. First I am taking a 1 mole of this ethyl chloride, CH3 bonded to CH2 bonded to Cl. Taking a 1 sodium atom, that is 1 molar 1 sodium atom. See here the bond cleavage takes place between carbon to chlorine. Then see CH3 bonded to CH2 gets plus Cl minus. Now single electron transfer takes place from sodium to this carbocation, that means this carbon which having a positive charge. So here single electron transfer takes place from sodium to this carbon. We know that sodium belongs to first group, ready to generate one electron. So here single electron transfer takes place from sodium to this alkyl carbon which is positively charged. Then we will get the radical here, that is CH3 bonded to CH2. After gaining electron, this carbon gets radical, and here we have a Cl minus. After donation of electron, Na gets plus, become NaCl, Na plus Cl minus. So now we got a radical. So to this radical, one more sodium generates a 1 electron. Again single electron transfer takes place from one more sodium to this carbon radical. Then what about this carbon? this carbon gets a negative charge. CH3 bonded to CH2, negative charge. Now this negative charge is neutralized by Na plus. So after that, here we are taking a one more mole of this alkyl halide. So when we are taking a one more mole of alkyl halide, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution. See here, this carbanion which is having a negative charge participates in a substitution with this alkyl halide. See here, this carbon is going to bond with this carbon and a Cl minus cleaving outside. This is the incoming group and chlorine is the outgoing group. Here nucleophilic substitution takes place by following a SN2 mechanism. So finally we are getting a CH3 CH2 bonded to CH3, and here Cl minus Na plus is going as a byproduct. We are getting CH3 bonded to CH2 bonded to CH2 and CH3. So this is the higher alkane we got from this 2 moles of alkyl halides plus NaCl. So 1 mole of NaCl is eliminated here, next mole of NaCl is eliminated here. So this is the actual mechanism. So what happening here, first we are taking a 1 mole of alkyl halide, 1 mole of sodium, that means 1 molecule of alkyl halide, you can say 1 molecule of, that is 1 atom of sodium. First after breaking of carbon to chlorine bond, the sodium generate electron, that means single electron transfer to this positive carbon, then that get converted into radical. So to this radical again 1 more sodium generate 1 more electron, then this carbon gets a negative. So after gaining electron, radical gaining electron converts into carbanion. This carbanion undergoes a nucleophilic substitution reaction with another alkyl halide by following a SN2 mechanism. Then we will get this CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. This is the major product, that is a product we are getting from this alkyl halide. Along with this we are getting NaCl. So this is called a Woods reaction. Simple here, when we are taking a same type of alkyl halides, we will get only one product. If we are taking a different type of alkyl halides, example here I am taking CH3Cl plus other ethyl chloride, then we will get a 3 types of higher alkanes. There is a possibility to obtain 3 types of higher alkanes. So we will discuss by taking an example. So here instead taking a same type of alkyl halide, here I am taking some different types of alkyl halides. Here CH3 bonded to Cl2, here another alkyl halide become, that is CH3 bonded to CH2 and Cl. Here I am taking methyl chloride and ethyl chloride, 2 moles of Na, then C. Simple. When the coupling between same methyl chlorides, we will get a product like a CH3 bonded to CH3 plus 2NaCl. When coupling between the same type of methyl chlorides, one methyl chloride with another methyl chloride, then we will get a ethane product. Ethane is a major product, that is ethane product. When the coupling between this ethyl chloride and ethyl chloride, firstly we will get a butane product. CH3 bonded to CH2 and CH3 plus 2 moles of NaCl. If the coupling between these ethyl chlorides, then you will get a butane. If the coupling between methyl chloride and ethyl chloride, so here R is a CH3 and here R is a CH3CH2. So obviously we will get a propane, that is CH3CH2 and CH3. This is butane and here this is propane. When we are coupling with between a same type of alkyl chloride, we will get only one product. If we are taking a different type of alkyl chlorides, then obviously we will get 3 types of alkyl, that is 3 types of higher alkanes. This is called a Woods reaction. So shall I take another example? One more example. So this is a propyl chloride taking with a ethyl chloride. This is CH3CH2CH2Cl, CH3CH2Cl, that is in a dry ether. See, when the coupling between these propyl chloride and the propyl chloride, we will get a hexane 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3, and other propyl chloride 3 carbons, then we will get a hexane. Otherwise or there is a mixture of products, not or, there is a mixture of products. If the coupling between ethane and ethyl chloride and ethyl chloride, then here we will get a butane. Here we will get a butane. If the coupling between propyl chloride and ethyl chloride, then we will get a pentane. 1 2 3 4 5. You will get a pentane. This is hexane. This is butane. This is pentane. So these are the products when we are getting from two different alkyl halides. If you are taking only one type of alkyl halide, we will get only one product. If you are taking two different alkyl halides, we will get three types of product. That is mixture of products. When same type are coupled, those are two types. Same type of these get one product. Same type of these get one product. Next third product, coupling between these two different, then we will get a third product. So this is a Woods reaction. So hope you understand well. Subscribe the channel, share, like, comment, and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. Thank you.